Good day, my friend. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna prepare a cleaner that's ecological, quick and cheap to prepare. Let's have a look. These are the three ingredients we're going to be using for that cleaner. Rubbing alcohol, white vinegar and a lemon. Why the lemon? Because it's very good for degreasing, it's very good for cleaning, and as well when you use it, it smells nice and fresh. Okay, if you don't have this, or if you don't want to use that, you can use as well essential oils. Okay, so these two, we're gonna be using it in equal parts. Okay, so it doesn't matter what quantity you make sure you make you place the same amount of liquid of the two. Okay, now if you got a measuring glass, better. Okay, and obviously you will need a recipient. You can buy one like this in a shop, or you can use an old one that you had before from any other product. And to pour everything, a funnel. Let's start. We now have our cleaner. As you can see, it's very quick to prepare. The only thing is, if you use the lemon, make sure you filter it, because you don't want any bits to go inside, which later would clog the nozzle. Okay, but apart from that, you will see it's very effective. Okay, so try it yourself and place in the comments what you think of it. Take care of yourself. Ciao.